I have an idea. It doesn't cost much to be positive.
You don't have to be fancy at all to be positive. That's gonna be enough signs right there, probably. All right, let's go spark a movement. That's a big cardboard right there. So during all this COVID-19, it's been easy to get sucked into the negativity. You know, if you watch news and media, between fear mongering, real statistics, fake statistics, I don't care what side you're on politically, it's constant negativity. And you can get sucked into that real quick, and it can hold real estate in your brain. And then between that and having to stay home, and maybe you're with kids and you're going nuts, or no matter what the situation, it's really easy right now to get down on ourselves and you know, feed into that negative thinking. So our goal here is to spark some positivity. You know, it doesn't take much to make people smile and to give them a positive moment in their day, and maybe even, as cheesy as it sounds, rewire their thinking for the day. We have to stop negative self-talk. We have to realize the things we're grateful for and practice gratitude and positivity. So that's what we're gonna try to do today, is get out on the streets, we'll spark a smile, and we'll get people's attention and hopefully spread a positive movement here. That's the goal. So honk for positivity, baby. Come on. Oh, he smiled though. He smiled and did his job. Yeah. So aside from sparking positivity, the reason we're doing this whole thing is because it is more important now than ever to support small business. You know, nearly half of businesses have either temporarily closed or permanently closed. A quarter of businesses are down over 75% in revenue. So when you put it in numbers, 3 out of every 4 businesses we come across are hurting. And we're the backbone of the economy. All of these people that you're seeing in this video are the backbone of St. Joe. They're the backbone of America. So it is important now more than ever to make sure you're spending your dollars local. How long you been in business?
Been in business about 15 years.
Support local, baby.
Yeah, go local. Yeah.
As you'll see as you watch these businesses roll through and we go up to these people, you know, whether they've been in business for 1 year or 25 years, or whether they're in suits or whether they're in shorts and a t-shirt, or, you know, every age, every race, everything. There's business doesn't discriminate. It's just you're supporting local. You're supporting local through and through. How long Hoonan's been in business?
38 years.
38 years. You guys, this is pretty hard on you?
It's been pretty good, actually.
Got a lot of support with people
we've
coming?
Got a lot of support from the community, and I mean, we're just blessed for that.
About 65% in business.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
but
So ready for it to be over.
We're hanging in
We're
there,
gonna pull
and
through
we're
it.
gonna make it, and we're excited.
Heck yeah.
We can't wait to see our customers.
Good deal. All right. Well, thank you guys so much.
you.
Good luck. Shout out Big Sky Donuts, Matthew Unzicker. Keep doing your thing, buddy. He's already sold out for the day, so he couldn't be here. Support small. Spending your dollars goes so much further than just a thought of local spending. I mean, it's literally to taxes. When you spend your money at a local business, it's not just out of your pocket and into somebody else's, and that's that. It's literally going to help their family. It's going to help the community. It's going to help the roads. It's going to help the schools, which is going to help the future of the community. It goes so much further rather than just getting online and click and it's gone.
COVID's totally shut us down, but we have gone online and adapted, and the community has rallied around us.
Let's go say hello to the Ansel family.
Obviously, foot traffic
Yep.
has slowed down, so it made us be more creative, really.
Yeah,
more than
absolutely.
anything, which is a positive way to look at it.
Ready to bounce back?
As fast as possible.
Yeah, buddy. Come on now! Let's honk! Let's honk! Yeah, buddy! All right, we're here at Joetown Mini Golf and Speedway.
And we're going to open up when this mess is over.
Yes, sir. Social distancing parties. We're running way behind schedule. We planned on 1 to 5. We're doing this about 9 to 8. That's a little bit behind schedule, but it's fun. You know, it's not about competition at all. It's not about one business being better than the other, anything like that. It's about all of us coming together here. So it's cool to be at multiple salons, to be at multiple gyms, another nutrition place, just like Fit Republic. You know, it's about promoting overall support and not one versus another. So that's a pretty cool feeling. All right, we're down here at Adams Bar and Grill, where I promise you they have the best prime rib and steak anywhere around here. So they're thriving. Come see them. Ultimately, we are going to get through this. You know, if you're struggling, you're not alone. We all know what it's like to have not enough money in the account to worry about covering payroll or to worry about rent. You know, my businesses are down 50%. So, and everybody you see in this video is affected one way or another, every single one of them. So just know that let's pray we're closer to the end of this thing than the beginning, and we are going to get through this together.
Everybody, thank you so much for supporting us here at River Bluff Brewing. We really appreciate it. Can't wait to open up soon. Keep positive. Let's go.
See you soon! Hi guys, thank you so much for your support so far. We're so excited to continue serving you this summer.
Yeah! Give us a honk! Hey, Skyler, honk! It's been almost 10 hours of filming, and as you can see, a little freaking cardboard sign and a little effort can spark a whole lot of positivity for people. It can hopefully get everybody to remember to shop local, which is the whole point of this. And it's amazing, you know, we finished up and we have cars driving by honking at us and honking just going down the road just from this whole thing. So guys, control your thinking, stay positive, support local. We're all in this together. Thank you.